Welcome to this week's Caravan in Highland Park. I just came from 1929 Phillips Way up in the hills. It is beautiful. It's a brand new build, so everything is done. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2275 square feet, listed for 1.399. Really gorgeous home. You walk in and it's got the wide plank oak floors, vaulted beam ceiling, huge balcony off of the living room with the barbecue and just stunning views. Kitchen has walnut cabinetry, which is really warm, and I love the tile they use there, and really all the tile they used in the different bathrooms. Very tasteful. You go downstairs, and their master and the two bedrooms share a huge bathroom with a really big double vanity. Great little storage space built in under the steps, and the master is super nice, really big, has its own private balcony. Both balconies have the bifold doors, which are really nice to have. Great bathroom, slipper tub right in front of this big picture window, but that'd be totally private, unless someone has a telescope, and then, what are you gonna do? And I really liked how they used like the porcelain wood look tiling in the shower. It really looks, really close to the flooring used throughout the home. Really nice home, lots of light, great landscaping. They've got the rain capture system, and everything's on a drip. So this one is ready to go. It's a beauty, and it's listed with Dominique Madden at Acme Real Estate. All right, off to the next one. All right, now we're down in the Arroyo, and I just saw 6228 Bertha Street. This is a great opportunity. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-story home, about 1,122 square foot living space. This has got so much going for it. It's been a rental for the last 5 years since the current owner bought it. So yeah, it needs updating, it needs some work, but a little would go a long way. Because I think 50, 60 grand and you'd be looking at like a really sweet home. It's got some great things going for it. The roof is in good shape. The sewer line's clear. The foundation's been bolted. It's got great views. And best of all, included in the sale is a vacant lot that is 1,428 square feet, separate address, separate EPN number, so you could build a cottage, little ADU. Again, nothing but possibility here. Lots of upside potential, and it wouldn't take a lot to get this place going. This is listed with Gina Isaac for $599, and she is with Norman & Associates. All right, see you next week. Bye, guys.